Hello, good morning everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1962 Buick Wildcat. This car is a two-door hardtop, has a 445 Wildcat V8 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, power steering and power brakes. Finished in the correct color, the pale yellow with the white vinyl top, beautiful white interior. This is a very, very nice, clean car. The chrome, stainless trim, and bright work on the car is very, very nice. The car is very solid. Underneath looks very nice. I will put it up on the hoist here in just a little while and take some undercarriage pictures of the car. I'll say the chrome bumpers are very nice. The trim, the tail lights, the emblems, Buick trunk mat. Everything looks great inside the trunk. Spare tire and jack is in there. This is a 46,000 mile car. The engine has been rebuilt. Got a little ladybug there. The engine's been rebuilt in the car. There is a stack of paperwork that goes with the car to prove everything that's been done to it. Beautiful white interior, white seats, door panels, headliner, package tray sail panels, dome lights, visors. It's got the Buick Wildcat floor mats in it. That's how nice that interior is. Car runs like a top. 45,559 miles, and those miles are believed to be actual. Cold light works. Dash lights work. Bright headlight indicator, the gas gauge works. It does have an aftermarket radio down below here. The glove box light even works. Factory tack. The only thing I know that does not work on the car is the horn. And the gentleman that traded the car in said that he thinks the wire is broken, the column for the horn. Said he tried the relay and that didn't fix it, so he thinks the wire might be broke. Nice little storage container there. Tail lights, turn signal. The paint is very nice. The car is, like I said, it's super solid. Factory hubcaps, white wall tires, all four headlights, turn signal. Underneath the hood looks great. All the glass in the car is very nice. Door panels, jams, just all around just a great car. Door panel gaps and the panel fitment is very nice on this old car. flip the bright headlights on. We'll turn the other signal on for you quick so you can see that that works. Like I say, the paint is just awesome. Here's the little remote for the stereo as well. Flipped on the turn signal switch there. Turn signal on the right. One little, maybe a little speck of dirt right here on the paint. I don't know what that is. Maybe, might be a small little spot where it's starting to bubble just a little bit. I'm honest with you, I'm walking around the whole car showing you everything that I see. Man, it's just an awesome car. Gentleman brought the car down on Saturday. We traded it in and I drove it down the highway, and what a pleasure to drive. And if you're familiar with the Buicks, you know the reverse is way down here, and when you go to put it in reverse, you pull it down and then pull it over to the left just a little bit, and then it'll go down in reverse. So you can't just get in it and pull it straight down into reverse. You got to go to the left just a little and then over. There we go. Just wanted to show you that because I got in the car and I'm like, huh, how do you get this in reverse? And then it just took me a second to get it figured out. But this way you can jump in it, put it right in reverse. He drove the car down about 65, 70 miles. Phone number here is 563-452-2450. Website is www.kinionauto.com. Kinion auto.com. Do a little walk around on the outside quick. The only thing I can hear in this car, maybe just a slight exhaust leak. That's about the only thing I can fault on it mechanically. Other than the horn and that small exhaust leak, you can hear just a little bit. Big deal to fix that. If you're looking for a beautiful ride, don't look any further. This thing is stunning. '62 Buick Wildcat 2-door hardtop. There you can hear the blower motor kick in. I don't think I turned the wipers on yet. Uh-oh. The wipers aren't working either. I'll have to get those checked out. It wasn't raining, so I didn't need them the other day when I drove it. 3-year-old boat. She gets up and goes pretty darn good. And it just drives so nice. I mean, you can like, I'm not even holding on to the steering wheel right now. It just goes that straight down the road. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. And I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll be back at you here in just a little while with another great quality collector car.